What's up, everybody? Welcome to Good Fruit Production. Michael here, and I've got another carving video for you today. I started this here a while back, started roughing this in. I'm doing an eagle, and I think he's going to have some prey in his talons over here. I don't have big rotary tools. I just have a Dremel 4300, which is good for small blocks of wood like this right here. This one was a little bit bigger, as you can see the diameter difference, and so I have to remove a lot of wood, especially in between these wings here, and so it's taken me a while, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video on this because I want you guys to see the full process. I am very excited about it. Typically when I get out here and carve, though, what I like to do is work on a big project and then do that for a little bit, and then I like to switch over to a small project. So I've got this stick here, and I've kind of got an idea of something that I want to make here. And so once I get tired of working on the eagle, I think I'm going to go on to this and try to get something knocked out fairly quickly. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure you like and subscribe below. I need all the help I can get to get this channel off the ground, and so share it with your friends. And primarily I've done carving videos, but I like all kinds of creativity. So if you are creative about things, whether that be drawing or artwork, share that stuff in the comments below. I want to know about it. I can't think of a better reason to be outside on a beautiful day like today. So I'm going to get started. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Well, this is definitely not a quick carve. I mean, I've made a lot of progress today. What I like about it is you can really start to see it taking shape. This thing will not stand on its own now because I've carved so much out underneath. Going three-dimensionally, you got to be very mindful of all sides while you're carving, and so I'm constantly having to move this thing. But we're starting to see now there's a snake in the talons, comes out over here. It's got 1 foot over here grasping at the log, and so I'm really excited about how this one's going to turn out. This will be my most intricate carving to date, and so I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna do more videos on it. Sorry you don't get to see a whole lot in this one, but I'm hoping that on this journey through several videos we'll just see what happens next. And yeah, I didn't get to another little quick carving today because I got so wrapped up in this one. I really like it when I'm starting to see it come together. It kind of sucks me in and I can't get away from it. But my daughter has a softball game now, and so I'm gonna leave and go do that for a little while, and who knows, when I get back maybe I'll carve a little more. Just kind of depends on what the day brings. But thanks guys for watching. Sorry I don't have a finished piece to show off yet, but I think this thing's gonna be pretty cool whenever we're done. See y'all later. Thanks.